How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
How do you start your day?
I start with a cup of coffee.
How do you get to school?
I take the bus.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
How did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
How do you feel?
I feel great.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
How did you celebrate your birthday?
I had a small party with friends and family.
How do you like your coffee?
I like it black.
How do you know that?
I read about it.
How long does it take to get there?
It takes about 30 minutes.
How was your trip?
It was amazing.
How do you make friends?
I try to be friendly and open.
How do you keep fit?
I do yoga daily.
How did you spend your vacation?
I traveled with my family.
How do you relax?
I like to listen to music.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
How can I help you?
I need some assistance with my project.
How did you sleep?
I slept well, thank you.
How was the movie?
It was fantastic.
How far is it to the beach?
It's about 10 miles away.
How much does this cost?
It costs $20.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for an hour.
How do you spend your weekends?
I like to relax and read.
How's the weather?
It's sunny today.
How big is your family?
I have a small family.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm friendly and hardworking.
How do you handle stress?
I try to stay calm and focused.
How do you like this place?
I really enjoy it here.
How can I contact you?
You can call me or send an email.
How are things at home?
Everything is fine, thanks.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my credit card.